Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Saturday afternoon. It's cold Saturday around these parts. We started off with bright sunshine. Now clouds are increasing from the west. There could be a touch of light snow or flurries here tonight and tomorrow, but no big deal. We need to watch a little sneaky low developing south of us tomorrow night and Monday that could bring some accumulating snow to the greater Boston area. Certainly cold enough for snow in the northeast. Temperatures are running in the teens and 20s. Notice a new batch of cold air developing back up into the plain states where it's in the single numbers in teens. This will be moving in behind the storm Monday afternoon and Tuesday as well. Now, the latest water vapor loop is pretty interesting. It shows one swath of moisture coming up from the south with an area of low pressure on the North Carolina coast. That's out to sea. There are some flurries developing off to our west with a weak upper air disturbance that could come through tonight and tomorrow, but that's not what I'm concerned about. What I am concerned about right in here, notice this little spin, a little atmospheric spin in the atmosphere. We call it vorticity right around Iowa. This little vorticity max, if you will, is going to be moving south of New England, spawning an area of low pressure over Long Island tomorrow night, then moving off to the northeast. That's why I'm concerned about some accumulating snow here. Now, as we look at the national radar loop, you see the first storm off the North Carolina coast with some light rain and snow moving off to the northeast. That's not a big deal. We have some other flurries developing back to New York State and Pennsylvania. They may clip us tonight, but here's the area I'm looking at back around Chicago in the Great Lakes rather. This, as it moves southeast, will get its feet wet and could expand up into the Boston area tomorrow night and on a Monday morning. So let's jump ahead and look at the weather map tomorrow afternoon. Notice that there is a weak area of low pressure moving through western New York in Pennsylvania with an area of light snow. And by 4 o'clock Monday morning, here's the deal. We have a very weak area of low pressure south of Long Island, but it may intensify quickly as you have a shot of cold air coming in over the warm air, some lift aloft, and maybe a very weak east and northeast flow at the surface. So the dynamics could come together for a surprise little snow event here. Not the blockbuster storm we thought several days ago for late in the weekend and early next week, but it still could snow. How much snow are we talking about? Well, let's put on the map, and I'm thinking this might be a little bit gutsy on my part. I'm going for it. 2 to 4 inches in the pink zone from Boston to Worcester point south, and a dusting to 2 inches well north and west. Let's see if it works. All right, forecast for Boston goes like this. The balance of the afternoon, increasing clouds. It'll be cold. Temperatures mostly in the 20s. And then overnight, we are talking about cloudy and cold weather, maybe some flurries. It'll be 10 to 17. Here's your 5-day forecast, starting with tomorrow. Cloudy, some flurries around near 30. There could be a steady period of accumulating light snow tomorrow night and early Monday morning. Then it's partly sunny and cold Monday afternoon, mid-20s. Cold and dry here on Tuesday in the mid-20s, warming into the mid-30s on Wednesday. The next storm probably is rain Thursday night into early Friday. Could be snow far north and west. That's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm meteorologist Mark Rosenthal.